Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150. But even if you have a different year, that generation F-150, video may be helpful, guys. Well, now, you're going to have two fuse boxes on your F-150. One is under the hood in the engine bay, right above the radiator fan. You have that fuse box, but we don't need this one today. You need to find the one that's inside the vehicle, on the passenger side, under the glove box, in the footwell, by the kick panel. You remove that cover right here on the side, and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. And by taking that picture, guys, and zooming in, we can clearly show you which fuse we need to check now. But before we do that, let's explain why you should always test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse that we'll need to check, guys, for the rear view camera will be, that's the first row right here, second row, third row from left to right. And here, if we come, guys, we need to find fuse number 34, which from that relay here, the third row will be 1, 2, that second fuse, that 10 amp fuse, is actually the one that we need to check for the rear view camera, guys. That 10 amp fuse will be for the rear view camera. It's also responsible for the Parktonic on your F-150. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.